Hello everyone. In this series we have seen how to print the left triangle downward, right triangle downward, then the upward pyramid, and now we'll see how to print the upward pyramid, but now every line has odd number of stars. Okay. Now if you observe carefully, if you count the number of spaces on each line, you will see that again, just like the right triangle pattern. If you have not watched that video, just go back and watch that video. That's my recommendation. So every line has n minus I spaces first, and then in the right triangle pattern, every line had I stars. So ith line has I stars. In this case, just pause the video and try to come up with a relation. So I equal to 1, stars equal to 1. I equal to 2, stars equal to 3. I equal to 3, stars equal to 5. I equal to 4, stars equal to 7. And I equal to 5, stars equal to 9. So you can pause and think about the simple mathematical relationship. Okay. So this is the mathematical relationship. Again, you have n minus I spaces on each line before the stars. Now, if you see the mathematical relationship, it is 2i minus 1. So ith line will have 2i minus 1 number of stars. So in the loop of right triangle, in the inner loop structure, if we take a look, only the number of stars, that is number of time the inner loop that prints the star, number of time it runs in case of the right triangle, it goes from 1 up to I. Whereas in case of upward pyramid with odd number of stars, it goes from 1 up to 2 into I minus 1. So every line will have 2 into I minus 1 number of stars. Then after printing it, it will print the new line character. For example, when I equal to 1, you will print n minus 1, that is 4 spaces, and then j will go from 1 to 2 into 1 minus 1, that is 1. So j will go from 1 to 1 and the loop will print 1 star. When I equal to 2, you will have j equal to 1 going up to j equal to n minus 2, that is 3. So it will print 3 spaces, and then the second loop, j will go from 1 to 2 into 2 minus 1, that is 3. So 1 to 3. Okay, so it will print 3 stars. When I equal to 3, j will go from 1 to 2, that is it will print 2 spaces. It will run twice and it will print 2 spaces. And the second inner loop, this particular loop, it will go from j equal to 1 to j 2 into 3 minus 1, that is 5. So it will run 5 times and it will print 5 stars. Okay, so let's run this. Let's give the input 5, and as you can see, we get the upward pyramid with odd number of stars on every line. Thanks for watching.